Welcome to Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the ruggedly designed 2025 Toyota 6x6 camper van, a vehicle that combines adventure with utility in a way that few can match. Toyota has taken the concept of a camper van and pushed it to new heights, quite literally, with the impressive six-wheel drive system and upgraded performance for those who crave off-road escapades without compromising comfort. Starting with the design, the 6x6 camper van commands attention with its bold stance, extra axle, and lifted ground clearance. This van is more than ready for rough terrain, with robust tires, reinforced skid plates, and a reinforced chassis that offer added stability. The exterior includes roof-mounted LED light bars, side storage compartments, and retractable awnings that add both style and functionality for camping setups. Under the hood, the 6x6 camper is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine paired with Toyota's enhanced six-wheel drive system. This combination produces plenty of torque, perfect for handling steep inclines or sandy dunes with ease. It comes with 3 driving modes: Eco, Sport, and Off-Road, each designed to cater to different road conditions. The off-road mode is especially impressive, distributing power across all 6 wheels, offering stability and grip on challenging surfaces. Plus, with an upgraded fuel efficiency of around 20 mpg even with its larger engine, you're looking at a vehicle that balances power and economy, a rare feat for 6x6 models. Moving to the interior, Toyota has designed the cabin with both comfort and adventure in mind. The layout includes a fully equipped kitchenette, a foldable double bed, and ample storage space for gear. The materials are rugged but refined, with water-resistant leather upholstery and easy-to-clean surfaces. The van also comes with solar panels on the roof to help charge onboard electronics and power the kitchenette appliances, a huge plus for those planning longer trips off the grid. For tech enthusiasts, the 2025 6x6 camper van doesn't disappoint. It features a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite navigation, and Toyota's suite of safety features, including lane departure warnings and adaptive cruise control. With a starting price of around $120,000, the 2025 Toyota 6x6 camper van is a substantial investment, but one that brings unmatched versatility and functionality for avid adventurers. Thanks for joining us on Ride Review. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow's feature highlight on this remarkable camper van. We'll continue to explore its unique aspects that make it the ultimate vehicle for adventure enthusiasts.